So today I'm going to be doing a video on a good little upgrade you can do to your Ford Ranger when it comes to your seats. Now, from what I've seen, there's not really too many good options that there are when it comes to your seating, especially if you own the XL, the XLS or the XLT. But today I'm going to show you there is a set of seats that'll go straight in. They look pretty good and they're pretty affordable. So here they are. So these are FX4 seats that have come out of a PX2 series Ford Ranger. I picked these up from the wreckers for a pretty good price. In fact, I paid, there we go, $200 from these from my friends at National Wrecking, full leather. They're bucket. They're pretty comfortable. They're a lot more comfortable than the standard seats. And the good thing is they've got manual controls, which is what you need for the XL, the XLS or the XLT. The Wildtrak and the Raptor come with electronic controls here. So if you were to put those seats into your base model Ranger, well then you'd need to probably redo some electrics for them to work. But these ones, they'll just go straight in. Because these seats have got airbags in the sides of them, first thing we're going to do is just disconnect the battery. So it's a 10mm for the negative terminal, just to disconnect that. You just want to slide your seat as far back as it'll go. And then at the front here, you'll see that there is a little plastic box which is located just underneath the seat there. I'm going to set my camera up just so you can see it. What you want to do here is just unclip this little box here, or the little cover that sits on the box. It's just a matter of getting a little flathead screwdriver and just unclipping it like that, like so. That'll pop off. And then you'll see there's a little 8mm here, which you can just undo. This is just for your airbag and your seat sensor for your seat belts. Essentially what the seat sensor does is just warn you when you haven't got your seat belts on. It'll keep on beeping, little alarm going off, just to notify you. So a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. So once you got that off, the plug just comes straight out and you can just put that to the side. Just thought I'd point out, with the little plastic cover that sits there, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spots on the side there where it clips on, so there's 2 on each side. So here I'm using a T50 Torx on a 1/4" drive to undo these 2 bolts at the front, and I'm just using an extension just to help lever it a little bit. Same thing for this other side. Once you've got those 2 bolts at the front out, just slide that seat forward as far as it'll go. Just get your Torx in there like so. Won't need the extension bar on this one, I managed to get it by hand. Just repeat the process for the other side. While you got your seats out, it's probably a good idea to get the old vacuum out and just clean up under these seats, because as you can see, mine here are pretty dirty. So I'm just tightening up the last bolt now. Final step, I've reconnected the battery. Now just going to start it up, make sure there's no airbag lights or sensor lights or anything like that coming up on the dash. And we are all good to go.